Welcome to BVS Pragati channel. In the previous session, we have seen how we can draw an orthographic projection for an object. We have drawn the front view of an object. So while drawing the front view of an object, what we have done? We have drawn projectors onto a vertical plane, and then we have joined all the points to form a meaningful. We have joined all the points in a meaningful sequence to form the front view of the circuit. So when the projectors were drawn onto the vertical plane, 1, 2, this 3, this 4, okay, and this 5. So what we are able to see? We are able to see the width and the height of the object. So it's not providing the complete information of the object. Now let's see that there's one more plane perpendicular to the vertical plane, that is a horizontal plane. And now from the object, let's now draw projectors onto horizontal plane. Let's draw projectors such that they meet the horizontal plane. So here are two projectors. Here are two projectors. And here are projectors. Okay. Now when you join them to form meaningful sequence, what we get? We get the thickness and the width. So only front view is not, so that means that the thickness and the width, that means that it's like we are observing the top view of the object. So only one view is not sufficient enough to describe the object. You need both front view and top view. Okay. So this plane where the front view is drawn is called frontal plane, and the horizontal plane is called HP. And this horizontal plane and the vertical plane, they meet at a reference plane, that is XY. This is XY, okay? And let's draw XY, and from here if you see, we can draw the front view, okay, which gives you the width of the object and the height of the object. And onto the horizontal plane with XY as reference, if you see, you get the object's thickness and the width. So this width and thickness with a gap which shows where this projection of height h, okay, when you combine both the things, you get the entire information. So the projection on VP is called the front view or the elevation of the object, and the projection on HP is called the top view or the plan. So both the front view and top view are needed to obtain entire information, and these are called orthographic projections or orthographic views of any object. So that's all for this session. More in the next session. Thank you. Thanks a lot, and I wish you all the best.